Boxyluxe, and I have got on to share with you guys. And the theme for this month is, what is this? Bubbles and glitz. Ooh. I've tried a couple things out, so I can give you guys my honest opinion on it. So, you know what I want to start with is, I got these hip dot sponges. And I have been using the crap out of them. Little one and a big one. So let's read some information for you guys. Shall we? Okay. Hip dot color changing sponge duo. Enjoy an amazing color changing sponge. Watch it expand to twice its size when wet. It creates buildable makeup application with minimum product waste. $18. And I tried these things, and you guys, like, I've used them. They're pink, and then when you get them wet, they turn white. But they're so soft and fluffy. Like, it's ridiculous. Oh my God. I mean, and I used a lot of beauty blenders. I love my Real Techniques, my actual beauty blender, but this is soft. It's like a freaking cloud on your face. I mean, I love it so much. Oh my God. This is the best. And it comes in this cute little pouch. So you can just put it in. Well, I gotta clean them, but voila. I love these so much. My fave. All right, what do we got next? Let's see. What is this? Beauty Company, the original Smile or Glam Smile Kit. So like a teeth whitener. Yes. Your Butte OG Smile Kit whitens and brightens your smile in 15 minutes. From binge watching Netflix to jet setting around the globe, Butte's mission is to accompany you in the clouds, elevating your self-care routine while maintaining angel status. Oh my God, it's $89. Yes, but I'm excited for this. This looks like good. Yeah. Comes with the light and the gel. Wonder how many uses you get out of it. It doesn't say. No, but it's for, I guess, sensitivity. Made in China. Okay, we'll go with that. What else do we got? Oh, yes. The iconic London Blaze Chaser Face Palette. $55. I have some iconic London products that I enjoy. I've only swatched this. I have not used it yet, but let's read, shall we? An ultra versatile face palette featuring 6 shades of butter smooth velvety powders that complement all skin tones. Well, I don't know. We'll do some swatches. This convenient palette contains shades for sculpting and bronzing to add natural looking warmth and definition. Blush shades that lift the face and give you that must-have lit from within glow, and highlight shades for a flattering candlelit radiance. $55. So, again, I don't know. Let's swatch. Shall we? Yes, I think we shall. All right. So we'll start with the 2 bronzy shades. That's light, that matte one. Hold on, let me dig in there. Okay. I don't know, that's really light. Can you see it? Yeah, a little bit. Okay. And then, what's next? The blushes. I love a good blush. Right now I have on, I did a little bit of the Park Avenue Princess Bronzer with some Hourglass. Okay, so one's a shimmer, one's a matte. It's a pretty mauvey. That'd be light though on me, but that's a pretty mauvey matte. I suck. I know. And then the highlighters. They're bright. Okay, so one's like a champagne and one's like a rose gold. Here, I can do better than that, Sam. Come on. Let's see. All right. Can you guys see it? Yeah, you can see it. It's pretty. But I have so many face palettes right now that I'm probably just going to end up giving this to my mom. Because after a while, I mean, they all start to look alike. And the bronzer, I can tell you now, is not going to be dark enough for me. But it is very pretty. All right, what's next? Okay, Sunday Riley Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. Jesus Christ, $85. Oh my goodness. Wow. This multitasking targeted lactic acid treatment rapidly exfoliates and boosts naturally youthful radiance while visibly reducing the look of lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. Its high-potency formula exfoliates dull, pore-clogging, dead skin cells to instantly clarify and reveal smoother, clearer skin. With skin brightening licorice, this super concentrated treatment also visibly reduces the look of dark spots and discoloration caused by exposure to the sun for a naturally brighter, even-toned skin. $85 though. I got this box a couple days ago and I've been using this. So it comes out like this. And I like it. I am, if you guys have been watching me, you know, I am extremely dry. And I have found that this is not drying on me at all. And in fact, it's a little bit moisturizing. So it gives your skin a little bit of a sheen to it. I don't know. Because I'm dry, I mean, I've heard people say it feels a little oily, but because I'm so dry, I don't feel that. I think it feels nice. But there's a sheen. And it does soak into your skin pretty good. I like it. I have enjoyed it. As for any does it work? I don't know. I haven't been using it long enough, but I'll definitely keep you guys updated. Okay, what's next? Oh, yes, okay. Well, let's... I got one more. Oh, I got two more. Oh my goodness, I got a lot. Okay. All right, we'll start with this, the Hip Dot C-Note Pressed Eyeshadow Palette. Unleash your inner goddess through the alluring blues and gleaming golds. The C-Note, a homage to the sacred underground pools in Mexico. In this hyper-pigmented palette, you'll find a mix of mattes and shimmers pulled directly from the magical deep sea. $30. And I did do a look with this. I don't have it up yet, but I will post it on my Instagram. And I'll be sure to link my Instagram down in the description box. But here's what the palette looks like. I don't know why I'm drawn to this blue. And I'm such a neutral whore. But this blue, and then there's a green right here. Oh my God, hold on. We'll swatch a couple. What the hell? All right, we'll do the green. We'll swatch a gold. Hold on, bear with me. Green, gold. Oh my God, they're so pretty. They're so pretty. This blue one that I love. And what else? Let's hold it up here and see what else pops. Whoa. Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. Yeah, we'll do this blue one. So there's the green, gold, that like tealy color, and a blue. And they are pretty. Definitely pigmented. That gold and that green. Oh my god. Oh, these are so pretty. I'm going to have a matte swatch just for shits and giggles. Swatch a couple of them. Because the last palette we got from Hip Dot, the mattes were pretty good. You know what I mean? Oh. Well, I'll be damned. It's fantastic. Okay. Yep. I'll do a look, post it on Instagram. I'll have fun. I don't usually do color, but what the hell? I'll give it a go. All right, next. Oh, this, the Lifestyle Company. I don't know. My light is focused, damn it. The Temple Rub. The Lifestyle Company. 100% natural calming temple rub. I don't know. I'm not going to put it on my temples. I'll put it right here for right now. What is this smell? What's more relaxing than lavender? I guess you get a little bit of lavender. There's something else too. The Temple Rub, of course. The super blend of oils can assist in relieving headache, stress, and anxiety. $24. What else is in this though? It smells like something else and it's driving me crazy. Like lavender and there's definitely a eucalyptus to it, and I want to say tea tree oil. Is that what I'm smelling? It might be tea tree oil. Okay, next. Kat Von D. KVD Vegan Beauty Dagger Tattoo Liner. Experience effortless wing liner looks with an innovative eyeliner specially engineered for easy application on any eye shape, making Dagger Tattoo Liner ideal for all makeup junkies. $21. We can swatch it. Huh? I'm not big on wing liners. I don't do a lot of wing liners, but I mean, I guess I could try the tape thing because I'm terrible at it. Right? And then what's next? What do we got left? Oh, my button came off. I was rough with it. Okay. The Luxie Glitter and Gold Brush Set, offering a complete range of brushes for foundation, contouring, and highlighting, and blending. This set has all you need to create perfect holiday looks. This fabulous set comes tucked inside a durable, easy to clean, festive red brush pouch. Oh my, it's $85. Holy shit, $85? So, I mean, I played with this little blending brush. They're very soft. They're pretty. Let's see. What would this one be for? It's very soft. It's lightweight. It's nice. Yeah, it's nice. Okay, soft. We shall see. I'll give that a go. And that brings the box total up to $407. And that was for the Luxe. I still haven't got my premium, which I'm waiting for. I don't get a base. And then I also have another subscription box coming. It's shipped. It just whenever they bring it. And I'm not, with this snowstorm coming up, I'm not sure. This is Wednesday, so Wednesday evening I'm filming this. You'll probably see this Thursday morning. So you have something to watch while you're snowed in. I enjoyed the box a lot. Even though I'm not a color girl, I like the palette. I'll play with some of the nudes. Maybe venture into the blue. And I don't know, you guys. Like I said, the iconic London face palette, I'll give to somebody because, God, I have been receiving so many face palettes from Boxy lately that I have more than enough. They'll probably go bad before I get to go through any of them. This, what is this, for headaches? I'd probably give this to my fiance because he gets a lot of migraines. This I'm excited for. With my Crohn's, though, and my immune system, and all the vitamin deficiencies I have with it, I'm iffy on this, so I might let my brother try this out, and he can tell me what he thinks of it. And then this, the Good Genes, I love it so much. Like I said, I'm Sahara Desert dry, and this does not dry me out at all whatsoever. The liner, I'll give a go. You know what? I just realized I don't have mascara on. Haha. These cute little blenders are the softest things I've ever felt, and I love them. And I would use them. And I would order 100 more. They're wonderful. So that's it for this month. I was so excited to share it with you guys. I had to hop on. I'll remember mascara next time, but it was fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, drop a comment, hit the notifications bell, follow me on Instagram if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.